stitches in between each thing. I better put a marker on that one there. No. Okay. So to decrease a stitch with Nalbinding, that's the same method as you do for crochet, except in crochet you're working right to left, and here we're going left to right. We're going counterclockwise rather than clockwise. So this is going to be my first decrease. Normally I would be picking up that stitch and that, but I'm going to pick up the following, skip that stitch and this one, and I'm using the finished 2+2 stitch for this hat. Okay, I don't need to have the head here right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to get this whole hat done in the next hour or so, but I'll do what I can and then finish it off later.